Daphne here with U.S. Classic Muscle Cars, and we are here at the Rosemont World of Wheels Convention.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, and I'm here with?
I'm Doc Riley, and I'm the host of the O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels.
Awesome. So Doc, can you go ahead and introduce this next video?
Yes, hey, you can find out more about the World of Wheels by going to worldofwheels.com. Stay tuned for this next video.
Thank you. Hi, this is Daphne with U.S. Classic Muscle Cars, and I'm here with Caesar. So Caesar, can you tell me what you brought to the Rosemont World of Wheels Convention?
This is my 1958 Chevy Impala, two-door. It's got a 350 engine. So basically a street cruiser. I cruise with it. It's kind of a show. You could say it's a show car, but I cruise a lot with it. You know what I mean? I've had it for 14 years.
Nice.
And that's basically it. It's the first year they made Impala.
Oh, nice,
yeah, 1958.
nice.
So it's a little different than all the other Impalas that you see.
Okay.
So,
yeah, so can you tell me what you did to restore this car?
I painted it. I put the wheels on it, of course, the chromes, fix up the engine a little bit, if you want to see the engine.
Sure.
Got a 350 motor. Nothing special, nothing crazy, but just, I did the sound system. You could check out the back too, the sound system in it. I got 212s. Here, I'll open the trunk.
Okay, that sounds good. Oh, wow, this is awesome.
Thank you.
So, can you tell us a little bit about what you did here?
Basically, I made it so I could still use the trunk. So I put the sound system back there. Just 212s. 212 speakers are doing a minute. 212-inch speakers, Alphasonic. And like I said, I drive it a lot, so I made it so I can, use the trunk still. So,
oh, that's nice.
The cooler, the grill, the
yeah,
the chairs,
that's pretty cool. So can you tell us a little bit about Members Only?
So Members Only, that's my car club. I'm the vice president of Members Only Car Club.
Nice.
Been around for about 20 years. We live here, Members Only Car Club, Chicago. And this is my club here. There's more guys. Basically, there was 8 of us that came today. There's about 15 of us though in the club. Some guys have 2 cars. Like me, I have this car and the 62 over there, the black one.
Okay.
That's a 62. My brother's over there. He's got a 259. He's got a 64 and a 67. President of my car club, Wilson Torres. He has has 47. Chevy has 48. We also got a 49. Got a Suburban. Got a 65. Like I said, we do this as a hobby. It's a lifestyle hobby. Just kind of go to the garage and hang out kind of thing and build your car.
That's
so,
nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of us, and we all it's a family and friends. We hang out and do different events and stuff. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
So Caesar, can you tell me a little bit about this paint job, because this is a beautiful color?
Oh, thank you very much. This car actually got painted 14 years ago.
Wow.
It got painted actually in Juarez, Mexico. Yeah.
Nice.
So I got the car from El Paso, Texas. But it was built in Mexico, actually.
Wow.
This car is Mexican.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so
yeah, so tell us a little bit about the interior and what you did.
My buddy did the interior, like I said, and that was also done about 14 years ago. And like I said, I cruise it, so it's got its wear and tear, but I don't like having a car if I can't drive it.
Exactly. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. That's awesome.
So if you guys want to follow us, and we'll get each other's info, and we do different events also. This is a cool show. This is once a year. Of course, it's an indoor show, so it's nice. But we also do cruise nights, and I'm gonna do a cruise night this year every weekend at a car wash by my house.
Oh, nice.
So we'll hang out there, and then we all hang out with different car clubs, so we all support each other and go to each other's events and stuff.
That's
like that.
great.
You know,
That's
so
great.
1 week one guy will have some, and then the next week we follow them, and we just we all hang out. It's a big family event, family affair.
That's nice. That's nice.
Thank you very much.
So one thing I do want to point out before we wrap up your interview, I love the wheels. Can you tell me a little bit about the wheels?
Well, the wheels are 2.5-inch white walls. I just put the skirts on it this year. This car never had the skirts in the 14 years that I've had it, so I just put those and
that's
the
pretty
original
cool.
wheels, original hubcaps.
Oh,
with
nice.
The 3-star spinner. And well, that's just original, you know.
Yeah.
I tried to keep the car the original looking as possible, and the engine's not original, of course, but it's updated a little bit. It's a 350, it's still carburetor engine, but
Okay.
but I drive it a lot, so.
Yeah, you kept it in wonderful condition. I mean, for this to be done 14 years ago looks great.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe and like for our next video.